could have done better. I was a little off my game. You know, she was trying and she was getting the balls back and she was doing what she was supposed to do. And despite I was the uncomfortable, I still had to give my game.
I thought I played well. I mean, obviously I could have played better. It was a really tough match. I'm pretty happy with the way I played, but I can obviously do better. I can be more consistent. Pretty happy with the way I moved. She's a really good opponent, so I'm pretty happy with my game.
How would you describe what you tried to do? What was the plan going on?
It kind of worked. Yeah, it worked.
I mean, I think I played pretty well. All the rallies were good, but she just kept getting the last point. But it was a good match.
I know you know who you're playing. She just won.
Yes, my friend.
Yes, your friend. Right, so you know your friend pretty well. Your thoughts on that final with her?
I think I'm going to have fun because she's an honest player and I enjoy playing with her because we have similar games.
Yeah. What's it going to be like playing your friend in the final?
We always beat